Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we're going to prepare Anda Do Pyaza. This is a very popular North Indian style egg preparation. This can be served with chapatti, paratha, naan, etc. Let us see how to prepare Anda Do Pyaza. Here I have taken 4 boiled eggs, 1½ onion, a ½ inch piece of ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green chilli, 1 tomato, quarter capsicum and a few coriander leaves. Let us transfer the ginger, garlic, green chilli to a mixie jar. Let us add quarter teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 3/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder. Let us add quarter teaspoon garam masala powder, quarter teaspoon pepper powder. Let us grind it to a paste without adding water. Half an onion I have cut into cubes. The remaining onion I have finely chopped. I have cut the capsicum into cubes. I have finely chopped the tomato and the coriander leaves. Let us heat a pressure cooker. Let us add 3 tablespoon oil. Let us add the finely chopped onion. The onion is beginning to turn a light brown. Let us add the chopped tomato. The tomato is well fried now. It is leaving oil. Let us add the masala paste. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Let us add salt. The masala is well fried now. It is leaving oil. Let us add 2 tablespoon curd. On a low flame, let us stir continuously. The masala is leaving oil again. Let us add a little water into the mixie jar. Let us pour it here. Let us close the pressure cooker. As soon as the steam builds up, let us turn off the gas. The cooker has cooled. The masala is well cooked. Let us keep the cooker on the flame again. Let us dry it a bit. Let us add the onion cubes and the capsicum cubes. We have fried the onion cubes for 2 minutes now. Let us add the boiled eggs. Let us add the coriander leaves. Let us turn off the gas. Anda Do Pyaza is now ready. Let us transfer it to a serving tray. Hope you like the anda do pyasa preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.